Hello YouTubers, my name is Rick.
My name is Amanda and welcome back to our kitchen. And first of all, thank you to our subscribers. We appreciate it. And today I am making you a keto-friendly, low-calorie brownie with a hint of coconut. With that said, let's get started. First of all, I preheated the oven to 350. And then you will need a half a cup of butter melted. So we're going to melt the butter.
I put butter on everything on a ketogenic diet.
Yes, he does.
Now see me when I'm cooking my eggs.
Yeah.
I drowned it in there and then I cook on it.
We'll let that melt. While it's melting, you need a cup of, we choose to use stevia brand of this. You need a cup of sugar. Yeah, that's quite a bit of sugar, huh?
This is keto safe.
It is keto safe.
I got to eat some already.
Yes. And then it's actually really good. I taste tested it also. It is good.
Actually, it's way better than I can ever expect for keto.
That is almost melted.
Almost. How long you put that in for?
Just until it's melted, about a minute and a half. Depends on how hot your microwave pops. That's melted, and you pour your melted butter on top of your sugar. We'll throw that in the Mr. Sink over here. We'll stir this in.
This smells good.
It does, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
And then we'll put in.
That's what it looks like, you guys.
We'll put in 5 eggs. One, 2. Yeah, I count my eggs.
I eat that many eggs every day.
Yes, he does. He does. We go through a lot of eggs.
Yeah, I eat like no less than 40 a week.
I think we need to invest in some chickens.
I know, that would be better. We're healthier that way. Yeah.
And there's 5 eggs, and you mix that together.
I'm glad I get to taste this all together.
And then you need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You dump that in there. And you can make this for if your honey likes brownies. You can make them a treat for Valentine's Day.
It's also good for the Super Bowl.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Super Bowl's even better. Mix that in some more.
I never forget about a Super Bowl. I watch that every year.
Yes, he does. And we do. You know who's playing in the Super Bowl this year?
No.
Me neither. Not yet.
I don't watch it like that. I just watch the Super Bowl.
And then you
just let that hang. I used to watch football years ago.
You need 2 cups of almond flour.
Gluten-free goodies.
Yes. And you measure it just like flour, regular flour. I always level it off. There's 1 cup. Ugh. A lot of flour, huh?
You guys are going to be, for the keto people out there, you're going to be really amazed how good this really tastes.
Yes.
It has a really good, oh, I like it. It has just a, I'm not a coconut person, it just has a hint of coconut. If you're not a coconut person, you ain't going to mind this at all. It's really good.
Hence the name, coconut with a pinch of coconut flour. I meant brownies with a pinch of coconut flour. And you get some coconut flour, and you just get...
Make sure it's organic.
A pinch.
We use organic everything.
Organic everything. You just put a little pinch of that in there. Mix it together.
See how little amounts you put in there, but you can taste it.
Yes, it's really good. You guys should make this and try it. But don't go overboard on it, though.
Yeah. How many carbs are here, girl?
Well, I cut mine into 30 pieces, and it's about 8 calories. Listen to me. I'm thinking calories right now. About 8 carbs.
I can eat 3 of them.
Yes, mix that all together, and then the cocoa. You need a half a cup of cocoa.
I have it.
And if you don't like a lot of cocoa, you can put 1/4 of a cup in there if you want. I like cocoa. I know Rick does too.
It has like a rich cocoa taste.
And we're using baking cocoa today. Ooh, we're almost out.
Way healthier for you this way. The way we're going about it.
Mash it down some.
The reason why I'm saying all this stuff because I get to eat this.
Yes, I think. What do you guys think? Should we let Rick do the taste test today?
Well, they're all yelling, yeah, let him yell.
Okay, we'll do the taste testing. We'll let Rick taste test today.
Yeah, we're going to break that thing in half and let you see what it looks like.
We'll mix this all up.
Yeah, I've been eating some that she already made for a week now. We've been giving it away, too.
Yes, we have been.
Nobody even knows it's
keto friendly.
Keto friendly, organic until after they eat it. Then we tell them. They're like really surprised, and they would eat it again, no problem.
Yep.
I like to surprise people all the time when we make stuff keto, when we make stuff low calorie, like she does. Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean you can still have goodies on a keto diet like this once you get down to your weight, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And on the low calorie diet, you can still have some goodies. Just gotta watch how much you eat of it and stuff.
Yeah, just watch that.
Okay, well that's hanging out there. We will grease our 11 by 7 pan. You gotta grease it. I almost forgot.
What are you spraying it?
It's coconut spray.
Cocoa.
And then you just pour this in here. It looks really yummy. I could actually eat this right now. Right like it is.
Yeah, but we're going to wait because we already got some. If we want to, we just pull them out of the ice box. See how thick it comes out, you guys?
It comes out pretty thick.
It's kind of cool.
It don't want to come out. It doesn't want to be eaten.
It wants to stay home. I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
And you can even take this to...
You know why it's acting like it? Because it's knowing it's going into a furnace.
And you can even take this to a potluck or a picnic.
Heck yeah. Going fishing.
I don't know about going fishing. You have to touch those nasty fishies.
No, well, you can eat them before you touch the nasty fishies.
Yeah. Well, guess what I saw today, Rick?
A flying fishy.
No, I saw 7 bunnies on the way to work.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I always see deer in the morning.
You do?
Every morning. Sometimes they're hiding, sometimes they're right there on the side of the road going, hey, what's up, dude? We know you.
Then you just...
You feed us once in a great while.
Yeah, they do. They like our apple trees in our backyard.
Oh, they eat it all. They eat everything.
Yeah.
They eat our fruit trees whenever we get a chance.
But it's okay. We don't mind sharing with the deers and the raccoons.
Yeah,
And
they can have it.
let's spread this out. Make it all nice and yummy. I'm serious, guys. I could sit here and eat this right now as it is.
It smells just as good as it does when it's cooked, too. That's the kind of smell you want to have in your house.
Good cooked dinner snack.
It's the kind of smell you think it'll get you in trouble, but if you know how to control your carbs, and you can eat this for a week, woo-hoo, you can have 3 a day. I mean, they are so good. Everybody on a keto diet is just going to love this. Everybody on a low-calorie diet, you're good to go.
Yeah, and it's about 140 calories for 2 of those little slices of brownies.
Cool.
And this, when you cut it, you can make it into 30 pieces.
Nice. And that's how we come out with the...
See?
There you go.
Now it's time to go put it in the oven for 25 minutes. And we'll set the timer.
What am I doing? I'm like holding the camera and staring down and stuff, so it's 25 minutes.
And with that, we will be back in about 25 minutes to show you how the brownies turned out.
I'll see you then, guys.
See you later.